I'ma head out then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Hey, it's not loud, but I'll give you a different one.
Okay, yeah. It's not loud.
Yeah. Thank you, Sonny.
Oh, yeah. Well, what's running here?
4 Platinum 18s. On 4 AKs.
Sir. I'm sorry, I can't remember what I was going to ask you. What kind of 6th order for?
4th order. We had enough room in there. We was gonna do a 6th order, and then we decided I don't like playing like real low. So we said 4th order. We're actually planning on adding a 5th sub. We have enough room in there to do 5.
Yeah.
So we're thinking about adding a 5th sub
Right
here and changing that whole port up.
Yeah.
We designed this so the port will actually, the whole loading wall will come out easily.
Yeah.
And we can change it up any way we want to.
Yeah, that's always a convenient thing. Yeah. Yeah.
So,
who did the design?
Jeffrey Rodever is the one that actually did the design in it. He helped me build it and everything. I went to his house and was doing all that, helping him out.
Yeah.
It's 4 Platinum 18s, 4 8Ks, 120 amp hour vibration audio battery.
Yeah.
CES, old school CES, 230 and 270, all on a brand X knob. So
yeah.
We demoed it like 15, 14.9 right there. When that
was all right, and it didn't even drop down too low.
It don't drop down that much. I'm surprised with it.
You run the whole truck off the...
Yeah, everything's dedicated to lithium.
Yeah.
I want to run 2 320s for the base system only, and then dedicate a stock battery. But right now, I'm just running off lithium.
Yeah, it's working out pretty good.
I've had no issues at all out of it, other than the battery light stays on over here.
Because it's range. Yeah. What? Are you on social media anywhere they can find you?
I have a TikTok. It's Extreme Chaos 2020. It's on the side of the window there.
Okay, I'll get that.
And then Facebook, just Chris Johnson.
Okay. I'll try to tag you, man.
It's
a
picture of my truck is the profile.
It's a picture of this truck?
Yeah,
okay, I'm going to get it. It's around the MD8Ks right there?
Yeah, they're back
okay,
there.
let me check them out. That's all right, man. Okay. Oh yeah, they look good back there, man.
There honestly ain't enough power in there, so I'm thinking we're gonna switch out to a 20K, or I'm gonna wind up doing
one big one.
Yeah, because trying to get all 4 of them. When we first put it in here, this one will read 98 volts. That one read 83. That one was clipped at 83. That one was clean at 92. So
it's hard to keep messing around. Yeah.
So
then they all never really playing the same.
Yeah. So we're gonna wind up probably switching out to either 20K or 30K in here.
You got to force that thing, man.
Yeah. Richie Fennell's the one that is from Vibration Audio. He's also on THF.
Yeah.
So.
He got some good looking stuff, man.
Yeah, that's 120 amp hour, 5.5 lithium cell.
I trying to see what you do with the camera.
Oh, you want to see? Okay.
Look up, Sauce.
Yeah, man, you got it looking good, man. So, appreciate the demo, bro.
Man.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I wish it would have been a little bit louder.
Hey, nah, man, that thing sound good. Hey, you know, we always say it ain't loud enough.
Yeah. Well, the two nightshades I had in here, I had 12K a piece on them, and I was not nice to them. I figured if I spent that much for a sub, I was going to beat the brakes off of it. That's exactly what I did.
We switched over. You got the NSV4 or 5?
The NSV4s.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had the NSV4s on the 12K each, half ohm, and I wasn't nice to them.
Did it perform well so far?
Oh, yeah. It was nasty. What's his name? Jacob Barrow told me it was probably the most brutal two-sub setup he's ever
Just for two of them?
Just two. And it was in a slide-in 4-quarter wall.
Yeah, well, I got a slide-in fork with two of those nightshades. See, but I got to put a little more power on them, though. Yeah.
It's never enough.
Yeah,
it's like drag racing. I mean, you can always get faster, you can always get louder.
Yeah, we'll be doing something else. Next show I see you have something different.
Yeah, the next show I plan on attending will be the Slamming and Jamming show.
Yeah, I'll be back over here. Yeah.
From now until September, I plan on doing some work to this thing.
Yeah.
Beauty panels and stuff like that.
Yeah, prep it up a little bit.
We built this in probably about a month. It just got playing like a few days ago.
Oh, that was quick then.
So yeah, we rushed kind of through it and everything. I knew I wanted to make this show for sure, so we rushed through it.
Yeah. You know, we don't have a lot of shows, so we got to force it in to get it done.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I sure appreciate the demo, brother. I'll see you back on the next one. All right.
Right equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.